Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the mic problem in your device Samsung A13. But before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you're having an issue related to the mic problem in your device, like your mic is not working for the calls or not working for the recordings, you can solve this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the mic problem in your device Samsung A13. Let's watch the video.